Let's understand sales parameters. Here we enter sales description, number of units, total area per unit, and current sales price per area. Parameters for first three items are locked. These are entered on development data sheet. Rest of the items can be entered here. Coming further, we can choose sales profile and cash collection profile. Input for sales profile is on sales and cash collection sheet. Here, we can specify the percent of sales of units that will occur in each period. For cash collection profile, we can specify the percent of revenue that will be received in each period. As per selected profile for sales and cash collection here, sales calculations will take place. Coming next, revenue type can be entered here. This is for choice of escalation. Next is the escalation itself. Based on data entered, sales revenue and escalated sales revenue will be auto-calculated.